car's about to overheat.
We'll be good. Blueberry syrup from Perkins. That's what it smells like. Oh my god. That's crazy. So you got your old hose off.
So we had to take this hose off from the oil cooler. Trying to find the hole. There's just a little tear in it. Caused the coolant to leak down onto the header, and it was smoking real bad, and I was losing a good amount of coolant. So we got this new hose. It took like 6 days. I should have just ordered it at the Subaru in our town, O'Brien, but whatever. We got it now.
Yeah, this is the oil cooler hose. It's a water cooled oil cooler.
That hose tightened on. I actually had to change my shirt because the fiberglass from the header wrap is ridiculous. So that stuff hurts. Try not to get that on yourself if you got header wrap on your car.
They can't see anything. It's all dark.
So, got that back on. I popped the coolant cap off. We're going to go ahead and fill up the expansion tank. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully this doesn't fall over.
Hold on. It's leaking out the bottom.
Yeah, I see that. You want to grab my radiator hose and give her some squeezes, Evan?
Give her some squeezes.
That'll bleed her a little bit better.
Alright, let's squeeze this thing.
You'll hear it start bubbling over here. Hear it?
Yeah.
Or it gets coolant through the system. Keep going.
Oh my god.
Rip.
I did not get that on film.
Oh no.
Because I was filming my hand. Alright, we got the coolant in. First start. Oh yeah. We spilled a little bit of coolant putting it in. It smells like burnt sweets.
It's like pancakes.
Yeah, that's like syrup. Blueberry syrup from Perkins. That's what it smells like. Oh my god. That's crazy.
Turn it off for a minute. Holy shit, bro.
Yeah, we might want to get a fan in here. Yeah, let's get the fan.
My pins are closed.
Alright, here we go. This is the first drive with the new fuel pump and first drive with the fixed coolant hose, so we don't have a leak anymore. Here, hold up, I gotta put my seatbelt on. Alright, here we go. New fuel pump, coolant hose, leak fixed.
My car's over here.
Good. Huh?
My
Coolant temp 205.
Oh, maybe we gotta work some air bubbles
You
out.
gotta bleed the system. How do you bleed a coolant system?
This one's self-bleeding.
Ah, we'll be good then.
We don't have that much coolant.
We'll be good.
It's a Subaru, dude. You don't know about Subaru and coolant.
Look, he's at 201 now. Went down.
Yeah, but
Look at that.
it may go back up.
199.
It's probably getting bubbles out, but if it doesn't have coolant to get the bubbles out, then it's gonna overheat.
There we go.
Still smells like coolant, but you know, we did just spill a quarter gallon of coolant on that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. It's going up.
Oh shit, papers. Close the back windows.
It's going up. They don't have to stop. I need coolant. Oh, wait. Ah, 210. Once it goes 250, I'm shutting off.
Oh, 216.
We riding.
Engine
Power
shut down.
steering.
Oh
I knew I needed coolant, dude. How are we gonna get
Well, that didn't go well.
that?
Hey, we're back under 210 now.
Never listen to a BMW driver when they say you don't need to add coolant, because they probably don't check their coolant. We riding.
And,
Bitch overheated.
we're overheating. So I guess we're trying to make it back.
Is there a way to go left or right?
Yeah, go left. I think. I don't know.
Nope, definitely not.
You gotta just turn around.
Car's
We'll wait.
overheating again. I don't want to hit this lady. Car's overheating. I mean, it's not overheating, it's just getting hot. 208, it's not deadly. Like 220 plus, that can be.
Should we try to pump the bubbles again?
We're out of coolant.
Out of coolant? What if it's just an air bubble?
Dude, we're out of coolant. All that coolant that was in there, the second we started driving, got sucked out.
Yeah.
Not a question.
Alright, we're making it down the road again. Car pulled up behind us, so we're
It's
going.
overheated.
And we're pulling off again. We're chilling out here in the middle
Fuck,
of the
Subi gang too. You probably
There's a
know.
BRZ.
You know they got the blown head. No, I don't even have it. Well, I mean, not that I know about a whole blown head gasket. I have a brand new head gasket with head studs. I just have no coolant,
Yeah.
and we didn't bleed it. And when you don't have coolant, you don't bleed it. It's not a good combo.
Alrighty. Hold the hood up.
Trying to lighten
See
the
what we
coolant.
got.
See if it's just dry.
I still see stuff in the bottom.
Yeah, but I may not be able to suck any of that out.
Yeah.
Where's the hose at? How far does the hose go down? That goes into there. No, Evan.
What, the hose?
Yeah, the hose that goes into there doesn't even make it to the bottom.
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
But like down to where it needs to go?
It's in the fluid. All right, updates. Where are we at? How's the Subi doing?
Well, the Subi's not doing so good. Started overheating. It's probably just out of coolant. Good chance of that, because we lost a lot of coolant dripping, and I spilled a shitload of coolant when we were filling it back up. So it's probably out of coolant, but the bottom hose on the radiator was cold, so maybe the radiator's fucked up. Who knows?
Hey, but on the good side, we got the new fuel pump installed. That's running all right.
Yeah, that's fine.
And we fixed the coolant leak.
We fixed the leak, but now we don't have coolant to go through.
True.
Alright guys, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video, which is going to be on.
My 335i, we're cleaning the air filters finally.
And they're
So,
pretty nasty, so
stay tuned.
stay tuned.